One student finishes the entire syllabus in just 4 days and tops the exam. Another studies for 40 days and still fails. The difference is not speed, it's the system. In this video, you'll learn a powerful 5-step system that can triple your study speed without cramming and without burnout. And I'll also reveal one secret trick that toppers don't usually talk about. First, tell me this. Which type of student are you? A. Slow but clear. B. Fast but forget everything. C. Slow and confused. And if you want to become fast and smart, this video is exactly for you. Let's start with the first mistake, fake studying. You open a book and 10 minutes later, you're still on the same page. You're not studying, you're pretending. Rereading without intention puts your brain into sleep mode. Real learning doesn't even begin. Top students do something different. They read one paragraph, pause for a second, and ask, if I had to teach this, how would I explain it? From now on, follow this simple system. Read, pause, recall, move on. This one change alone can double your study speed. Second, chunking. Your brain is not a storage device that saves everything separately. It creates patterns. That's why remembering random points feels slow and confusing. Instead, combine information into one idea. Sunlight plus water plus chlorophyll equals photosynthesis. Now it's not 3 things, it's one chunk. Top students take this further by using simple visual mind maps. Instead of writing random bullet points, group related ideas together. This makes memory faster and stronger. Third, 3-layer retention. You study something today and forget it tomorrow. Why? Because you didn't burn that information into your brain. Top students use a simple 3-step method. Understand first, then recall without looking, then teach it to someone else. When you explain something, your brain locks it in. Study is not just input, it must also include output. Now comes the most powerful part. But before that, if you're finding this useful, comment retention, not cramming. Fourth, the 90-20-2 rule. Most people think studying means sitting for hours, but after some time, your brain gets tired and your focus drops. Here's what actually works. 90 minutes of deep focus, 20 minutes of rest, 2 minutes to reset. This matches your brain's natural rhythm. Top students don't work more, they work smarter. Stop using random study sessions. Start using power sessions. Fifth, blur notes and teaching. Ask yourself, who are your notes for? If you're writing notes just to make them look perfect, you're wasting time. Instead, use blur-style notes. Keywords, arrows, small visuals. Leave some gaps. Let your brain think. And then teach those notes to someone. Because when you teach, you truly understand. Don't make notes like a document. Make them like a conversation. Fast, simple, useful. So now you have 5 powerful study hacks. Don't reread, recall. Don't decorate notes, chunk them. Don't just study, teach. Don't waste time, use the 90-20-2 rule. Now it's your turn. Pick one hack and start today, because small changes create massive results. Subscribe to MindStick, where your brain gets upgraded.